Hello, welcome viewers. We'll do the question number 27 related to BDS, MDS, basic chemical and biochemical and also biochemistry problems. And it includes medicinal chemistry, dental chemistry, dentistry, etc. Various courses. Question number 27 is molarity calculations. Again, it is a repetition of molarity calculation, another problem. The recommended calcium intake, the question is, the recommended calcium intake is 25 millimole per day for a very human being. And hard Emmental cheese contains 880 milligram of calcium ion, calcium 2 positive ion per 100 gram. The question is, how much of this hard cheese will cover the recommended daily intake requirements? Provided here the atomic mass of calcium ion is given as 40, that will be accepted the molar mass also. We know how to answer such a questions. Basic equations are used here. We know that number of moles is equal to mass of that substance divided by molar mass. From that, on cross multiplication, we'll get the mass of the substance is equal to number of moles times molar mass. Now let us see how it is calculated one by one. We know that 25 millimole of calcium ion per day is required. That is, and also provided that M is equal to 40. Molar mass or atomic mass of the ion is 40. So we have the equation mass is equal to number of moles multiplied by molar mass. Mass of the substance can be calculated from this. Mass is equal to number of moles multiplied by molecular mass or atomic mass, whatever may be the particle ions. So it will be number of moles is given as 25 millimole times 40. That's molar mass. So we'll get 1000 milligram. 1000 milligram of calcium, millimole of calcium ion per day. It's not a milligram, it is error. It is it's actually millimole of calcium ion per day. So in order to obtain that, what should be done? In order to obtain that value, we have to substitute. We have to substitute the values like in order to obtain millimoles of calcium ion per day, it is corrected 880 milligram of calcium 2 positive per day will be obtained from 100 grams of cheese. It is given in the question. 880 milligrams of calcium ion per day is obtained from 100 gram of cheese. If that is the case, then we can say that 1 milligram of calcium ion per day is obtained from 100 divided by 880. 100 divided by 880 grams of the substance. So it will be obtained from 100 divided by 880 grams of cheese. I will repeat once again, 880 milligram from 100 gram of cheese. Then 1 milligram on cross multiplication we will get 100 divided by 880 gram of cheese. I think you have followed that. If 1 milligram calcium ion per day is obtained from 100 by 880 grams of cheese, then how will you calculate 1000 milligram of calcium ion from what? It will be obtained from 100 by 880 multiplied by 1000. It will be obtained from 100 divided by 880 is for 1 milligram of the substance. It is for 1 milligram. Sorry, it is for 1 milligram of calcium ion is obtained from 100 by 880. Therefore, 1000 milligram is obtained from 100 times 1000 divided by 880 gram of cheese, and that on simplification 100 multiplied by 1000 divided by 880 is equal to 113.64 grams of cheese, and 113.64 grams of cheese will give 1000 milligram of calcium ion per day. 1000 milligram of calcium ion per day is nothing but 1000 millimoles of calcium ion, millimoles of calcium, 25 millimoles of calcium is equal to 1000 millimoles of calcium ion per day. So the result is, answer is 113.64. 113.64 gram of cheese will give 1000 milligram of calcium ion per day, which is equivalent to 25 millimoles of calcium ion per day that we have calculated here. 25 millimoles will be equal to 1000 millimoles of calcium ion per day. Anyway, look for the video description there in the video box. Below that, every calculation step is given in order to avoid confusion. If you find any confusion, please type there your doubt. I will be answering your doubt. If you find this type of calculations useful, then please do subscribe and push the bell button. I will be back with several such answers to the problems, and you can get it immediately if you are